Running a business but struggling to attract customers? Your business might be invisible online. Most people search online before buying. If you're not there, they won't find you. Your competitors are online, reaching new customers, while your business stays hidden. Studies show that over 80% of customers research online before making a purchase. Even if your store exists physically, customers rely on digital maps and reviews to find you. Here are signs that your business is invisible online. Do any of these sound familiar? If your business doesn't show up in a search, you're missing out on potential customers. Step 1. Create a website. A simple, mobile-friendly site makes a big difference. Step 2. Be active on social media. Engage with customers and share updates. Step 3. Encourage happy customers to leave online reviews. It builds trust. Step 4. Set up your Google business profile to show up in local searches. Businesses with a strong online presence get more customers, more sales, and better brand recognition. Online visibility helps even local businesses attract and retain customers. Posting valuable content, such as videos, blogs, and promotions, boosts engagement. Great content spreads fast, helping more people discover your business. Search engine optimization helps your website rank higher in search results. Running online ads can help drive even more traffic to your business. Ensure your website works well on mobile. Most users browse on their phones. Many small businesses have transformed their sales just by being visible online. Don't let your business stay invisible. Take action today and grow your business online with Anuation Labs.
Contact us for more information.